1, make the plastics look good. Either change them or use the old ones, but make them look nice. So on this dirt bike, the plastics were very bad, so I bought new ones on Amazon for $30, and the bike already looks fresh and a lot better. That dirt bike, they are nice plastics, so I decided not to change them, but I'm gonna clean them and make them look good. Number 2, add accessories on the dirt bikes. For example, what accessories can you add? On this dirt bike, I changed the exhaust pipe. Same with that one. Another accessory you could add is a gear shift pedal or a new engine cap. I did that on both bikes. The third accessory you could change is the grips and the levers, like the clutch lever or the brake lever. Fourth thing you could change is the carburetor. I have new carburetors on both bikes. Once the bike is ready for sale, you have changed all the accessories you'd like to change, the new plastics are on, and everything works, you want to wash the bike and make it look nice. I recommend using a pressure washer. Once the bikes are washed and nice and clean, the next step is posting the bike on either Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Craigslist, whatever you use. And the question is, how will you post it? This is also a very important part of selling the bike, is how you take the pictures. We'll go over a few tips on when to take pictures. The last step, once you're done with the photos and the bike looks really nice and you have each type of those photos that I showed, will be the description in your post. How will you describe the bike? This is also a very important part. You want to be very descriptive, explain everything that you added that's new. You want to put that you have a new carburetor. In my case, I have new engines in both bikes. Say that there's new gear shift pedals, new exhaust pipes, no issues, runs very well, great condition, a new tire if you added that, new plastics. You want to add all of this stuff, and this will also help you in selling the bike. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe.